Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go HowToBasic channel analytics. They have uploaded 547 videos. They now have 16.3 million subscribers with a total view of 3,186,145,297 views. They are from Australia, and their channel type is How To. They created their channel since December 8, 2011. The grade they got is A-, and their social blade ranking is at 2,147th. The subscriber ranking is 337th, and then video views rank is 1,111th. They ranked at 5th in Australia and 13th in How To. Next, the daily subs for HowToBasic is around 10k with a daily view of 3,594,254. Now let's talk about how much money they are making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 3,500,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $14,000. Then, monthly income will be $420,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $231,000 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $2,772,000. That is how much HowToBasic makes from YouTube.